Today I'm going to show you how we can do a craft just with crayons and some things. Things you will need is a white piece of paper, a piece, wax paper, thank you. Somebody help me, wax paper, a piece of black paper, a glue stick, some crayons, and make sure Mom allows you to do this. This is called a cheese grater and everything. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get some old used crayons that we were gonna throw away, but we're not now. So I'm gonna start, look at this, and just spreading this all over my paper. Some red, let's get that green in there, some green, I just spread it. Now be careful, because if you get too close with your fingers, you don't want to cut your fingers. So take it slow, take your time. I'm going to put a lot of brown in there today too, all over this picture. All right, we haven't used any orange yet. Let's use some orange in here. Gonna make a beautiful art picture here. And maybe some blue. Remember the blue that did the sky? Put some over here. Now make sure you don't do this on Mom's kitchen table, because it's got to be covered with something to keep it nice and clean. And you should always have help from your parents when you're doing this. All right. Now, this is why you ask Mom, look how dirty that is. I'm gonna bump all those and put it all on my paper. Whew. Okay, we'll put that aside. Now we're going to take our wax paper and we're going to cover it up. With that, we're going to now take a hot iron. Make sure Mom helps you with this, because you don't want to touch it and get burned. Now if you don't have wax paper or an iron, you could use a hair dryer at real hot. So I'm just going to touch this just a little. I have to be very careful. I don't want to burn myself. And melt those crayons. All right. Like I said, a hot hair blow dryer could also do this without the wax paper. Let's see, I don't get anything on my iron. Then we're going to take it off. Put that aside. And look at that, isn't that beautiful? So we're going to set that aside to dry for a minute. All right. I'm at the library, so I'm going to have to clean up this table, that's for sure. Put that aside. And we can take a piece of black paper and a pair of scissors, and we can trace our hand or get a picture of something you want to trace, and you can cut out in black paper some different kind of animals or anything you want to make shadows. What I had cut out previously is a little dog, and I cut out a little bunny. All right, with that I'm going to need my glue stick. Put a little glue on there, and we're going to put it right there on top of my colors. You can do as many characters as you want, and put him here. And we're making our own shadow art. How's that? Isn't that beautiful? Again, we miss you from the library. I'm sending you a hug. Take care.